welcome back to the channel. Yes, this video I'm filming the same day as the giveaway video. I just wanted to let you guys know that in the time that I have been gone, I have gotten a new daily parking the Genesis for the winter. So I got this BMW X1. Fun little car so far. Got some storage space back there. Have to put my winters on still. Yeah, so I'll probably go give it a wash. It's a bit dirty right now. And show you guys around the car. And maybe in the next video I'll do a install a deck. That's it right there. Since it doesn't come with one of the displays here, I'm gonna add that in. So I'll have my Android Auto. It also comes with Apple CarPlay. So I'm gonna do an install video on that and go from there. But yeah, I'll get to showing you guys around the car and probably go to the car wash and give it a wash. Maybe a little bit later, we'll see. But yeah. Alright, so that's it for this one. So as you can see, I got a BMW X1, so that's going to be my new daily. And I'll catch you guys in the next one where I do an install video. See you guys.